Hello chaps, and welcome back to Tino Car Care, where we're going to be cleaning the world's dirtiest Ferrari. This is a Ferrari F8 Tributo, which has been ruined by the winter weather as it is covered in snow, salt, road grime and organic matter. The interior is even dirtier. Let's begin this transformation project as the interior is dusted down and vacuumed. Not a single spot is missed on this masterpiece. Now I deep clean and extract these carpets, bringing them back to that factory finish. The interior glass is also cleaned, removing any dirt, oils and smears. The hard surfaces are safely given a deep clean as I get into the finer pores of the leathers and plastics. Just look at this amazing 50/50. Let's now move on to the exterior, beginning with the wheels. To get your hands on all of the products used on this Ferrari, visit tinocarcare.com. Let me know in the comments below, are you used to seeing dirty supercars? Now I gently spray water on the snow, which softens it up, as it is then pressure washed off of the Ferrari using a more gentle setting on the pressure washer. With the sticks and snow removed from the car, I perform the snow foam. This will loosen the dirt on this F8 Tributo before I pressure wash it off. Subscribe if you have been enjoying this video and turn on that notification bell to never miss a video. Let's hand wash this car. This prevents dirt and mold from developing in these cracks and creases. I now rinse off the shampoo. Let's try this work of art. give this video a like if you've been enjoying it. I now give the exterior glass a streak-free finish. The door shots are wiped clean. The engine bay is also taken care of. My brother now adds a layer of protection to this F8 while eliminating any imperfections. The tyre shine completes this disaster detail. Here are your results, chaps. Enjoy! Look at that brand new finish. The interior has definitely been brought back to life too. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe, and here are 2 more videos I think you would like.